Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on a project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Vechain. Sovereign Wealth Fund Vet eyes $150 million for crypto fund of funds. A former sovereign wealth fund professional is targeting $150 million for crypto fund of funds under the Neural Capital banner, betting on the Web3 revolution, with backing from one of the industry's biggest moneymakers. Rabia Iqbal plans to close the new firm's first fund at the end of February, according to a source familiar with the matter, and marketing materials obtained by Blockworks. Iqbal declined to comment. Neural's flagship vehicle, First Light Fund, plans to deploy capital to crypto-focused hedge and venture capital managers, along with token investments and direct equity stakes in the blockchain sphere. First Light was constructed to maximize alpha, while avoiding the need to actively manage a portfolio of funds, tokens and equity positions, the marketing materials state. The firm, which has a presence in New York, Hong Kong and Puerto Rico, doesn't just have access to the platform, but also has a say in shaping it and can even profit from its success. No surprise then that Han thinks there's a need to build a different kind of firm. To create a new internet that is an improvement over our current tech paradigm is a hugely ambitious project, she wrote. It not only requires brilliant technologists to build, but also experienced operators who can responsibly shape public opinion, policy, and the broader systems that power our society, so that Web3 can fulfill its potential. Han knows Web3 well from her time at A16Z, during which she joined the board of crypto exchange Coinbase as well as NFT marketplace OpenSea. And the VC firm has invested in just about everything, including Alchemy, Compound, Maker, and Solana. Beyond Han's own involvement, her eponymous fund will keep a share of A16Z's institutional knowledge. The firm, as well as founder Mark Andreessen and A16Z crypto head Chris Dixon, all contributed funds to the raise. Trezor hardware wallet introduces support for Cardano, ADA. Price React's crypto hardware wallet has announced support for Cardano, ADA, after many years of not supporting the digital asset. As Cardano has grown, and with the rise of decentralized finance, trendline and the bear market structure, it is moving forward to test higher levels. Providing that the retest of the 160 sat supply zone sparks more buying interest, the next level of interest is 215 sats. If the price does start to break below the supply zone at 140 sats, it will likely test the 120 sats area again. This scenario will be good for BTC bulls, however, for VET holders, they would be losing profits in comparison to BTC. At BTC on a one-week chart, on the weekly chart, the price has broken through the trendline. It has since not shown much bullish momentum to the upside. As you can see above at 200 sats, there is a clear supply zone. This can be observed by the number of wicks showing rejection in attempts from buyers to push the price up. If the price moves down and tests 145 sats, buyers must step in, otherwise, the price will end up testing the lows again. The previous weekly candle also has no bottom wick, which is not particularly bullish. VET on a one-day chart, VET seems to be forming a range between 0.0002540 and 0.0001691. Since the price has just tested the higher level, it is likely that at some point it will return to the lower level. It can, therefore, be inferred that it is better to hold ETH than VET. The only way in which this would change is if 0.0002540 is flipped, which would then allow a move to around 0.00034. Although being short-term bearish on the pair is wise. The price has broken its bearish market structure recently, therefore, longing any dip would make sense. Areas around 0.0002 would provide a good entry. Summary: in the VET-USDT one-day chart, the price has been accumulating in the range of 0.06 and 0.04. After breaking the supply zone at 0.0625, it is now moving forward to break the 0.083 level. On the weekly chart, the price has been rejected at the 0.1 supply zone. VET bulls would ideally want to see this level flipped. VET BTC one-day chart has been in a consistent macro downtrend for almost a year now that has been broken recently. Providing that the retest of the 160 sat supply zone sparks more buying interest, the next level of interest is 215 sats. The weekly chart shows a similar picture. However, after being rejected at 200 sats, it may test the 145 sats level. On the VET one-day chart price seems to be forming a range between 0.0002540 and 0.0001691. The price has just tested the higher level. It is likely that at some point it will return to the lower level. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 VET has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. That price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for VET will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. VET price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average VET price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price, 29 cents level. VET price prediction 2027. VET will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain end 2027 average price prediction could be around 40